So now that we've done the concept session, we need to think about producing a set of scaled plans. To paraphrase Ron Barassi, perfect planning makes perfect. So what we need to do now is get some detailed scaled plans down so that we've got precision necessary to make sure that the vision is executed perfectly. So in other words, we have to plan it perfectly. But before we get onto the computer, there's one thing we need to do. We've got to get some measurements and we've got to take some levels. We need to know precisely how big your garden is, and we need to make sure that we know where the changes in level are within your garden. So let's go outside and do that, and then we'll soon be back inside on the computer. Your plans include the softscape plan, which shows the plants and the layout of all of the plants, together with your plant list, scheduled here on the side of the drawing, with a botanic name, common name, how many are on the plan, and what size pot we recommend you buy them in. Also, you'll have a hardscape plan, which shows all of the built features, such as retaining walls, paths, paving, rotundas, verandas, pretty much everything down to where the dustbin goes, and a complete quantity takeoff. So if you want to do it yourself, you'll know what materials to get. You will also have a plant file, which is a piece of paper for every single plant in your garden, showing where they come from, how you look after them, when they flower and when they fruit. And that comes in this format, which goes in the folder we leave with you at the concept session. And finally, a cost estimate, so you've got some idea of the budget you're working with.